Hello, everyone. Today, we'll learn how to verify the authenticity of a GS1 barcode. This information is crucial, whether you're a business owner, a consumer, or part of the supply chain. Step 1, let's see how. Open your preferred search engine and type verified by GS1. Step 2, click on the first link, which will take you to the official GS1 website. Step 3, enter the barcode number you want to verify. Let's use 8901072123456 as an example. Case 1, if the company associated with the barcode is legitimate, and not misusing the GS1 number. You'll see the authorized company name and other details. Now, let's consider another case. If the company information doesn't match, or the GTIN record is inactive, the company isn't authorized to use that GS1 barcode number. Remember, using unauthorized 890 barcodes invites legal action by GS1 India as deemed fit and can lead to the delisting of your products from offline and online portals. To avoid such an instance, you can also verify and authenticate any 890 barcode number from Smart Consumer Platform. It is the only government-verified source that empowers business owners, consumers, or anyone who is a part of the supply chain to ensure that the barcodes are authentic. So, always buy barcodes from GS1, which is the only authorized source. And don't get scammed by unauthorized sellers. For more information, reach out to us.